smart cleaning tips for seniors or people with chronic pain. Have you ever wished there was an easier way to keep your home clean without feeling exhausted or overwhelmed? You're not alone. The truth is, cleaning doesn't have to be a tiring chore, especially when you use smart, energy-saving tricks. Why this video? Today, I'm sharing 9 genius cleaning hacks, especially for seniors, people with limited mobility, or anyone living with chronic pain. These simple yet effective tips help you save energy, reduce strain, and keep your home sparkling clean without all the hard work. Like practical tips like these? Click like. Share your favorite cleaning trick in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful hacks to make life a little easier. Tip 1. Rinse right after eating. This one's easy, but surprisingly effective. Don't let plates with food scraps sit around. They dry out and make dishwashing a real pain. Instead, rinse your plate right away, or let it soak in warm soapy water. It'll save you from scrubbing later. This small habit can save you up to 15 minutes a day on dishes. Tip 2. Use small spray bottles for cleaning products. Big bottles are heavy and hard to handle, especially with sore hands or wrists. Pour your cleaning products into smaller spray bottles. Keep also a small bottle in every room. That way, you can quickly clean up a mess without having to go fetch supplies. Tip 3. Microfiber cloths work better. With less effort, regular cloths just push dust around. Microfiber cloths actually trap it. They even work without any cleaner. Got a microfiber mop? Use it to dust walls and tiles with ease. Tip 4. Use baking soda. Baking soda is a miracle worker. Use it for odors, grease stains, tiles, carpets, even laundry. Make a paste with water and apply it to stains. Let it sit for a bit, then toss the item in the wash. If it's on a carpet, you can vacuum or sweep up the dried paste after 30 minutes. Bonus: no harsh chemical smells, perfect if you're sensitive to scents or fumes. Tip 5. Laundry basket organization. Bending down and sorting laundry can be hard on your body. Use multiple hampers, one for lights, one for darks, one for delicates, so you don't have to sort later. Use a grabber tool to pick up clothes without bending. Need to carry clean laundry upstairs? Get a big backpack. Put the laundry in the backpack and wear it up the stairs so your hands are free to hold the railing safely. Tip 6. Invest in a good mop with a wringer system. No more wringing out a wet mop with your hands. A mop with a built-in wringer makes it so much easier and cleaner. Tip 7. My lifesaver, a robot vacuum. No energy? In too much pain? Let a robot vacuum take care of the dust for you. Set it and forget it. It really makes a difference. Tip 8. Spread out your cleaning tasks during the week. Don't try to do everything in one day. Make a weekly schedule. Maybe Mondays are for dusting the bedroom, Tuesdays for the living room, and so on. You'll stay active and keep your home in shape without burning out. Tip 9. Use a stool or chair while cleaning. Standing or bending for long periods can be exhausting. Use a sturdy stool or a chair with back support when doing tasks at lower or mid-level height, like folding laundry, cleaning the sink, or organizing cabinets. This helps take the pressure off your knees and back, so you can get more done without pain or fatigue. Bonus tip: choose a lightweight, foldable stool you can easily carry from room to room. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you. And don't forget to subscribe for more doable, helpful tips. See you next time.